Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to switch between focus modes on your Sony E10 camera. Let's get started. So, firstly, we just need to tap this menu button and here select this first section, and on the fourth page you will see the focus mode section. We just need to enable it by tapping this middle button, and here we can see many modes. So let's start with this single shot AF. This is suitable for static scenes where the subject is not moving. The next one, automatic AF, ideal for shooting movie subjects. The camera will constantly monitor focus. This DMF right here allows you to use autofocus first and then manually adjust the focus. And the last one, manual focus, fully manual focus adjustment, suitable for those who want the precise focus of their choice. To select one, just simply confirm by pressing this middle button again. And that's it! I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.